Hey everybody, this is Dan for GemmyD on Cars. Now I am here at Porsche Mechanicsburg in Mechanicsburg, PA, and we're taking a look and we're going to go for a drive in this. This is a 2017 Porsche 911 Carrera. So here we go. Kind of pinching myself. I'm very excited. We got the key on the left-hand side. All right, here we go. All right, everybody, we are driving a Porsche 911. That is a sentence that I've never said before, and I'm very, very excited. Now, we are in a 2017 911 Carrera, and this car has a 3-liter flat six with 370 horsepower and about 331 foot-pounds of torque. I'm gonna get over real quick, and I can't believe it. We're driving a 911. I'm looking for a turnaround up here. Now, this car, I hope you've seen my walk around of this car, but this is just, there's nothing else you can say other than this is a legendary sports car that has been known around the world since the 60s. Now this something special about this car is that in 2017, this 991 model, this was the first year where the Carrera was turbocharged. Before that, there was never any sort of turbocharging on the Carrera. And a first little stab right here. You can almost hear the turbo, which is weird. I mean, I've never driven a Porsche before, and I'm going to say it like it's not obvious, but you can definitely hear the turbo start to spool up in the lower RPMs. But just this view that I'm looking at, which we'll do a POV drive in a little bit, this view is just amazing. You can see this sort of jut up of the side fender right there. It just looks so good. And the steering wheel feels very nice in your hand. We got the PDK gearbox, the double clutch. I'm not going to try to pronounce the PDK, but
Doppelkupplungsgetriebe.
this is just amazing. I got a blue Cayman, no, Boxster right next to me. Right there. But yeah, this is an amazing, a truly special car, and I say this all the time, and it holds true with this car. I'm not going to say this is a base 911. But just imagine a 911 Turbo or a GT3 with the wing sticking out the back, or even a GT2 RS. Like I cannot fathom, what that would be like. That would just be taking this is already dialed up to 9. That would be taken up to like 13. So, a couple observations in my first few minutes of driving. The suspension is pretty. I'm feeling every little pebble in the road, and you can kind of see the camera shaking a little bit. The suspension is firm because you want it to be, because of course it's a Porsche 911. The handling is amazing. The steering wheel feels nice in your hand. The visibility is actually pretty damn good. I don't have a huge wing in the back, taking away my sight lines right there. But the side mirrors feel nice. You can see through them very well. I mean, this is just awesome. I mean, I've only driven like 50 miles an hour so far. I talked about how this is the first year of the turbos, and like I said before, the reason that Porsche did that is because everybody was going towards the trend of no more naturally aspirated monster engines. I mean, this car has only ever been a 3.6 or a 4-liter in the GT3 RSs, but the trend is smaller engines, forced induction turbos, which gives you similar power, but it saves on weight, it saves on fuel consumption. And that's just the way that we're going, because bigger cars that pollute more are being outlawed, and we are going towards electrified cars, which I've driven quite a few, and they are fantastic in their own right. But you cannot mistake this. This is a 911. Yeah, this is awesome. So there's a loud button that I'm going to turn on right now. And let's see if we just. Oh yeah, that's cool. You can definitely hear it. The engine behind you. You can feel the vibrations and the noise behind you. It's just such a cool sensation. Oh, this is just, it feels, you could sort of feel the blood running through this of the motorsport heritage, and there's an awful dip in the road right here. Oh geez, okay. I'm gonna slow down a little bit. Bumpy road mode. Oh my god, the handling is fantastic. It like knows what I want to do. Oh, it's so planted. It's so flat. It's so like feels like sticky to the pavement. All right, little stab. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Okay. We're gonna stop up here and we're gonna give her the beans a little bit. Oh, even just that little stab, I got up to red line. That was amazing. Oh my goodness. Okay. Nobody's behind me. All right. This is a 911 Carrera. Oh yeah. Yes, 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 yes. That was magical. Wow. Just the sensation that you get with the engine behind you and just flooring it up. I mean, this red line's at 7,000 RPMs. I think I got up there, not to 7,000, but oh my goodness. And there is so much more possibility for modding in this car. Oh my goodness. Pass with care. Okay. Oh, it holds onto the gear. That's 4,000 RPMs. Oh my goodness. Third gear, 3,500. Oh, that is just a thing of beauty. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is so sweet. And this is, oh my God. The potential for modification and more performance would be endless. And that really, it really like gut punches you once you get up to like 2,000-3,000 RPMs. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is a fantastic car. And see that even right there, that was just 3,000 RPMs. That was so, I mean, 370 horsepower, 330 foot-pounds of torque is a good number, but for a light car like this, oh my God. Just the sound is fantastic. Listen. Oh, and you can hear the turbos. That is just chef's kiss. Mwah. That's a thing of beauty. Yeah, this is the greatest. This is the best car I've ever driven. It just feels like it's not even scratching the surface of the performance, and then you've got the iconic shape. And the sound is fantastic and you can feel just a little hint of the turbos. I'm not even going to say there's turbo lag. It's just sort of just a little pause, and the power is right there. Oh my gosh, this is something special. Now we're going to do a little POV action here. This is what the cockpit of the 911 looks like. There's your dual clutch transmission right there. Oh, there's what's his name's house. Oh, that's cool. Anyway, all right, we've got better things at hand. Okay, here we go. There's a car up there, so I'm not going to rip it just yet. Just listen to it. I need to get by this car, and then we're going to punch it. All right, here we go. Oh my God, the shifts are so fast. Oh my God. Oh, and the brakes really bite too. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. This is just unbelievable. Oh, wow, what a thing. I'm gonna say the least shocking statement I've said. The Porsche knows how to make a car. I'll just say that much. Oh my goodness. Now there's a dial on the steering wheel here where you can go into Sport. I wasn't even in Sport. Now I'm in Sport Plus. Oh yeah, it holds on to it. And the sound is even better. Oh, the ride is even firmer too. Oh my goodness. I'm sweating. Yeah, this is really, really impressive. And it just, oh, listen to that downshift right there. Oh yeah. I'm not even using the paddles either. I don't even think you need to. Oh yeah, just the shifts are so quick. I mean, quick. There is no mistaking a dual clutch transmission. I mean, this car has it all. Dual clutch, performance, sound, I mean, styling, iconic styling. All right, we're gonna go back. We're gonna go back into normal mode. Oh my God, this is just fantastic. I need to get my hands on one of these. Wow. So back to the normal tame mode. So if you're back into, I'll say normal mode, no sport plus, the ride is a little bit firm, and that's okay. I mean, just telling you how I'm feeling it. I mean, I can feel pebbles and stuff in my right foot, but yeah, the visibility is great. You can see out the mirrors very nicely. The steering wheel is fantastic to feel. It just feels like a nice wheel. It's like a small diameter wheel, but not thick rimmed. All right, do I need to get over and get past this guy? Yes, I do. I downshift. Oh, that wasn't too hard. So what else is there to say? I mean, there you can really see just the fender jut up right there, and then over there. Oh my gosh, this is just a remarkable car. Probably one of my favorite. This might be in my top 3 of favorite cars I have ever driven, and there's no secret to why that is true. I mean, Porsche really knows how to do it, and I love to be an owner of a German car. Just, you know, Porsches and German cars are known for their engineering, but oh my gosh, this is just fantastic, and the potential for more of everything, more aero, more sound, more performance. I mean, how could you? I mean, just to get into something like that would be just amazing. So I'm back at the dealer now. This is gonna wrap up my drive of this, which is life-changing experience. No, seriously, in all seriousness, this is probably the best car I've ever driven. The only thing I could think of as far as theatrics when I drove a Tesla Model S and the Porsche Taycan Turbo S, that was just sheer, you know, futuristic speed. But this is just, I mean, it's just amazing. The sound, the styling and heritage that goes with Porsche as a brand and all their race cars and racing at Le Mans, the sound, the performance, and it's just a very, very special car. And I can't imagine what a 911 Turbo would be like. I'm going to say the word, but this is technically a base 911, which in no way, shape, or form would this be considered a base car. This is a truly special sports car, and Porsche just sort of rose up a few notches in my brain now that I finally got a chance to experience, you know, what the iconic 911 is like. And whew, very, very big thank you to Porsche Mechanicsburg. I will put their website right here. You can go buy this car and other cars like it, Panameras, Macans. So thank you to them. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let me know what you think about this car. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at GemmyD on Cars. And I'm gonna go smoke a cigarette and have a beer. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. See ya.